Blackstone came out with this Griddle Toolbox about 6 months ago. They sell it at their website, blackstoneproducts.com, and I just love it. People ask me about gift options for the griddler in their life. This is a great option. Certainly not mandatory, but a great bunch of accessories and a great way to store them. Perhaps it's because we live in Colorado's tall pines, but I'm especially partial to these beautiful trees. The toolbox has a removable tray, and it comes with a whole bunch of accessories for griddling. The toolbox comes with a 4-inch scraper. You can call this the putty knife style of scraper, and that is Todd Toven's favorite type of griddle scraper. It has that really sharp edge that I highly recommend. When I got my first Blackstone Griddle, I went online to a restaurant supply store and bought a scraper that pretty much mirrors this one. The toolbox also has the 14-inch griddle tongs. These are the same Blackstone griddle tongs that I've been using for a couple of years. Has the Blackstone logo down here. The rubber grip has the lock on the end. So whether you're picking up shrimp, rolling hot dogs, or flipping a steak, these are gonna get the job done. Up next, we have the classic Blackstone 3-inch wide spatula. This is one of the very first heavy-duty spatulas that Blackstone manufactured. This isn't the super lightweight first generation spatula. These are the thick ones with that very sharp cutting edge. You can flip burgers or turn that thing sideways and just cut your way through a chicken breast like a samurai warrior. That's a great spatula. Up next, we have the Blackstone 14-inch fork. The same solid plastic and steel construction. You can use this to hold a steak while you slice it or to serve up your food. That's the 4th accessory included in the toolbox. Up next, we have the 14-inch Blackstone spoon, the perfect tool to serve up your bacon-fried corn. Enough said. And moving along, we also have the 14-inch slotted spoon. I don't know what's more beautiful, the design of the Blackstone accessories or the view of the Colorado Rockies in the background. That's accessory number 6. And last but not least, Blackstone basting brush. Maybe you need a basting brush, maybe you don't, but if you want to brush on butter or barbecue sauce, Blackstone's got you covered. Because lots of you are going to ask, the box is made out of steel. It's about 16 inches long and roughly 7.5 inches tall. The graphics are on very high quality vinyl decals, so you can wipe it down if you get ketchup or mustard on it. The removable tray is also really nice because you can put extra stuff like your favorite spices or your thermometer on top. So a lot of fun to switch it up and do something other than cooking today. I like looking at new products, so here you go. Blackstone Griddle Toolbox. You can buy it at blackstoneproducts.com. So for all those folks that have recently been telling me I don't want to go to Bass Pro Shops, or I don't want to go to Tractor Supply, or I don't want to go to Walmart, go to blackstoneproducts.com and pick up your Griddle Toolbox. A lot of people asking me about hats recently. They see me wearing the Blackstone beanies. Where do you buy a Blackstone beanie? Blackstoneproducts.com. They've been on there for beanies have been on there for at least 4 years. The Blackstone hat that I'm wearing today, you guessed it, you can buy it at blackstoneproducts.com. So thanks for watching, everybody. Let me know down in the comments what product you want me to take a closer look at next. Perhaps there's something you want to buy or something you want to know about in detail. Just let me know down below. And until next time, this is Todd saying, praise the Lord.